Hi, I'm Susan. I hope y'all are doing great today. And today I am participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. Be sure and check out her channel. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. And be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge to see what everyone else has made. This has been a lot of fun and this has been real easy, just the one prompt. And our prompts for today, for number 39, is a punch of some sort, and I'm going to use my square punch. And for 40 is brown, and so I've got some different things brown, and we'll just see what we get. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, here are numbers 39 and 40. And I used the square punch and made a tag for this. And I think it turned out so cute. And I used my browns and used my Tim Holtz people and just added a little bit of green up there. I thought it just kind of broke it up. So I love how they turned out, and I hope you do too. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. So until next time, I hope y'all have a wonderful Christmas. And remember that Jesus loves you, and so do I. Bye, y'all.